Welcome back. So in this particular session, we will be discussing about factorial of a number. Okay. So before going to this particular, programming, let us understand what do we mean by factorial of a number. Okay. Factorial of a whole number n is defined as a product of the number with every whole number till 1. Okay. Or I can say in other words also, a factorial of a number n is nothing but a product of the number starting from 1 to n itself. Okay. So that means if I have n, okay, and I want to find out the factorial of n, so it is nothing but 1, okay, into 2 into, okay, 3, and it will go on, okay, it will go on till n minus 1 into n. Okay, so that means if I want to find the factorial of 4, so this is nothing but equal to 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by, okay, multiplied by 4, right? Yes. So that means once I have the number n, okay, so it starts from 1 to the number itself. So simply, okay, so what I can do, okay, so if I want to find the factorial, so I will write fact equal to 1 to n, okay, right? And I will write, like this, let factorial equal to factorial, okay, multiplied by, okay, fact. Yes, right? And this factorial should be what? Root factorial should be equal to, it should be equal to 1. Yes, correct, right? So 1 into 2 into 3 till n minus 1 into n. So for 4, 1 into 2 into 3. So I said initially factorial 1. Okay, so say fact starting from 1 to n. Okay, so this is first 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. It will go. Then it will come 2. So 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Then it will come. So 2 into 3. Next is 3. Okay. Then 4. Okay. Then 1 into 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 4, which is equal to 24. Okay. So now let us do the. So first I initialize a number. Okay. Right. Then I initialize the, okay, number one together. I can say fact. Okay, and I say int factorial equal to 1 equal to 1. Okay, so now let me get the number, enter the number. Okay, so then scanf, scanf. Okay, then percentage d, okay, ampersand num, right? Okay, then I will take a for loop for, okay, fact equal to 1, fact less than equal to num, okay, and fact plus plus. Okay, so I will write here factorial equal to factorial multiplied by fact. Okay, divide the fact. So printf, printf, okay, the factorial of a number is percentage d, okay, factorial, right, factorial. Okay, so now let us execute the program and see. uh, Factorial of 4 is 24. Okay, so factorial of 5, 120. Okay, factorial of 6, 720. Okay, we got it. So right, so what is factorial itself? So we are multiplying starting from 1 to the number itself. That is what we know the definition of the factorial. Okay, so when you said 4, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay, and we have taken this factor, this is equal to 1. So 1 into 1 first, then 1 into 2, which will equal to 2, then 2 into 3, which is 6, then 6 into 4 is equal to 24. So we got the factorial of the number. Okay, yes, and it's very simple, right? So for you can remove this for loop, and we can put a while loop also, right? Simply we can write here, um, let me just show you to you. Okay, so I just can write fact equal to 1. Okay, and I can simply remove this, and I can write here while. Okay, fact less than this, right? And then I can put a closing bracket out here, right? And just remove this, and I can put here correct. Okay, so this is something. Okay, fine. So let me save it. Let me see if it execute it. Okay, 4:24, right? So I've done with this, with using a while loop also. I hope the factorial is clear. Okay, thank you.